Hello. Today I'm going to talk about how to archive a Google Classroom. Some of the reasons why you might want to archive a Google Classroom is to help clean up your class grid so you can only have the classes that are currently active showing on your classroom. Also, archiving your classroom allows students to have access to the information but not be able to upload information, comment on it, create their own Google Meets, those things through the Google Classroom itself. So it kind of gives you, as the teacher, a little bit more control over what students are in there. You can also remove students. Once you archive a classroom, you can always go in and remove the students if you don't want students in there at all. That allows you to have that access to do that. You can also go in and restore a Google Classroom that has been archived, and I'm going to kind of show you all of those different things once we are in here. So the first thing you want to do is go into your Google Classroom. Once you're there, you're going to see all your classrooms that are currently active listed there. You're going to go down to the classroom you want to archive, and all you have to do is go over into the right corner of that box, click on the three little dots, and you want to click on Archive. You're going to get a little message that pops up that says, "Are you sure?" And then if you are sure you want to archive that classroom, all you do is click Archive. If not, you hit Cancel. So I hit Archive, and now that classroom has been removed from my active classrooms and will be located under Archive Classrooms. To get to the Archive Classrooms, all you do is go in the top left corner. You're going to go through the three little pencils up top, scroll down to the bottom. Depending on how many classrooms you currently have active, it'll depend on how far you have to scroll. And then you'll see a little button that says Archive Classes. Once you go in there, you will see all the classrooms that you have archived. And all you have to do is go to the classroom you want to re-upload and restore, and click on the three little dots again, click Restore. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to restore there? And then click Restore. And now if you go back to your main class page, that is now listed there and it is now currently restored. That's all you have to do in order to archive or to restore your Google Classroom.